What's the meaning of bishopric? Bishopric. Bishopric.
Bishopric. Bishopric. A bishopric is a term used to describe the diocese or territorial jurisdiction of a bishop in the Christian Church. It is essentially the area over which a bishop has authority and responsibility for overseeing religious activities. In medieval times, a bishopric was also associated with secular power and influence, as bishops often held significant political roles in their respective territories. The term bishopric is derived from the Old English word bishopric, which means bishopric or episcopal see. Today, the term is mainly used in reference to the Christian Church, particularly in Catholicism and Anglicanism, where a bishopric represents a significant level of hierarchy and authority within the Church.